Hello students, I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor Zoology SPC GCA अजमेर। आज हम सीलेंट्रेटा के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। Coelenterata are eumetazoa, means advanced metazoa. They have true tissues. Digestive cavity is present. Symmetry is radial. Cnidaria means nettle. Touch causes itching. Nematocysts are present. Precambrian 11,000, more than 11,000 species are known. Gastrovascular cavity is present. Cilia present. Mouth present. Coelenteron means cavity. Cele means cavity. Enteron means intestine. Oral and aboral surfaces are present. These are multicellular animals. Cellular differentiation is present. Segmentation is present. Two-layered epidermis and gastrodermis. Mesoglea is present in between. These are diploblastic animals, means two-layered animals. Nematocyst present. Tentacles are present and they capture food. Anus is absent. Circulatory system, respiratory system, excretory system are absent. Nerve net, primitive nerve net is present. Eye spot statocysts are also present in some. Polymorphism is present. Polyp and medusa stages are present. Freshwater or seawater living. Muscle cells are present. These are monoecious animals or dioecious animals, means both sexes can be present in one animal or in different animals. Sexual and asexual type of reproduction are present. These are animals having holoblastic cleavage. Larval stage is present and planula larva is present. Blastopore forms mouth. Classification divided into four classes. First, Hydrozoa, example Hydra. Second, Scyphozoa, example Aurelia. Third, Anthozoa, example Metridium. Fourth, Cubozoa, example is Caribdia, Temoia and Chiropselmus. Hydrozoa. Polyp stage is present and dominant. Medusa stage is absent. Stomodium absent. Anterior part of alimentary canal lined by ectoderm is stomodium. Nematocyst absent. Mesoglea non-cellular, solitary or colonial. Medusa if present with velum. Medusa called crespedote. 3,700 species, more than 3,700 species are known. Example Hydra, Paneria, Tubularia, Millipora or fire corals, Obelia, Velilla, Porpita, Physalia, also known as Portuguese man of war. This is divided into four orders. First, Hydroidea, second, Trachyelina, third, Actinulida, and fourth, Siphonophora. Scyphozoa. Scypho means cup and zoa means animal. Means these are cup shaped animal, cup or umbrella shaped animals. These are also known as jellyfishes. Free living, tentacles on the margins of body and manubrium in middle. Velum is absent. Stomodium absent. These are dioecious animals. Mesoglea, gelatin, amoeboid cells are present. Polyp not developed. Scyphostoma. All animals are sea-living animals. More than 200 species are known. Divided into five orders. Stauromedusae, example Heliclistus, Cubomedusae, Cubozoa, Coronati, Periphylla, Semiostomi, Aurelia, Cyanea, Pelagia, Chrysaora, Rhizostomy, tentacles absent, Cassiopeia. Anthozoa, Antho means flower, zoa means animals, sea anemones and corals. Free living medusa is absent, divided longitudinally by coelentron, sessile and attached, mouth disc is flat, tentacles hollow, nematoblast cells are present, reproductive organs endodermal and septa present, mesoglea made of connective tissues, calcium endoskeleton is present, stomodium, enteron lined by ectoderm, more than 6,200 species are known, form coral and coral reef. Examples are Tubipora, Pennatula and Gorgonia. Classification of Anthozoa divided into two subclasses. Octocorallia, 8 tentacles are present. Hexacorallia, 6 tentacles are present. Octocorallia, orders of Octocorallia are first Stolonifera, example Tubipora. Second Telestaceae, example Telesto. Third Alcyonaceae, example Alcyonium. Fourth, Cenothecalia, example blue corals or Heliopora. Fifth, Gorgonacea, example Gorgonia or sea fan. Sixth, Pennatulacea, example sea pen or Pennatula. Hexacorallia, 6 tentacles are present. Zooantheria, order 1 is Actiniaria, example Adamsia. Order 2 is Madreporaria, example Fungia. Order 3 is Coralliomorpharia, example Corinectis. Fourth, Zoanthidia, example Parazoanthus. Fifth, Antipatheria. Order 5th is Antipatheria, example Antipathes. Order 6th is Ceriantheria, example Cerianthus. Now comes economic importance. Economic importance is it attracts tourism, diving, coral gems are obtained from corals, also attract underwater tourism. Dietary supplement is provided by calcium and phosphate used for curio trade and decorating aquarium. Thank you.